Namaste friends. Today I shall share with you all a very unique recipe. Taking this nutritious recipe regularly has practically improved the levels of vitamin D and B12 values in the blood work of my daughter. She was prescribed to take vitamin tablets by doctor, but we did not give her any supplements but followed this natural lifestyle where we included all kinds of whole grains, millets, variety of legumes, homemade A2 cow milk curd, and the buttermilk made out of it by adding some water and churning by hand. Okay, let us look at the procedure of this recipe. It is made using various seasonal fruits that is available in the region. It is all a preference and choice. But banana is mostly there. And if it is a season of mango, we can use mango instead of banana. Other ingredients include almonds, walnuts, dates, raisins, which are called as manuka. They will have seed within them. Manuka raisins are not available. We can use regular raisins and even dry figs as well. Next is any one variety of other nuts can also be used apart from the walnuts and almonds that we used earlier. Any one variety of seeds can also be changed regularly. In case of chia seeds, there is no need to grind them. We can just soak them in water and mix after the fruit and nut mix is ready. And the final ingredient is our nourishing and caring coconut milk. Just soak all these ingredients overnight in water. Next day morning, just peel the almonds and remove the seeds from the manuka raisins. Make the coconut milk also ready night itself, or if you have time, you can make fresh in the morning. The basic recipe remains the same, but the combination of nuts, seeds varies. Even the whole grain dosas also differ daily. It can be even millet dosas or paniyarams. Sometimes it would just be even these four ingredients. It just depends on our choice and availability of the ingredients. It is just like any other fruit and nut shake recipe, but when this is taken along with the whole grains, it has showed this amazing improvement in the levels of vitamin D and B12. Of course, she at times enjoys and snacks on all the junk foods too, but slowly, though it was little difficult, she gradually came back to these natural foods. And it is surprising that even after having all these junks, just including these whole foods into the diet brought these amazing results. And we didn't even include even fermented rice or fermented millets in diet. So the process is very simple. Just add the soaked nuts, seeds into the mixie jar first. Grind them separately so that they will get crushed well. Then add all the soaked dry fruits and fresh fruits as per your choice and availability in the season. Once the fruits are also ground well, then we will finally add the coconut milk. Just give it a pulse and everything gets mixed up well. It finally appears to be a creamy fruit and nut shake. We can relish it directly as such or just sprinkle even some cuttings of fruit pieces or seeds and nuts. All these extra decorations we can make to make it look more attractive for the kids. I hope you all also will make this simple yet significant recipe that has helped to improve vitamin D and B12 levels without using any supplements. So just make it and get benefited. And of course, you should also do other practices like drinking sufficient amount of water, doing good oil massages to the body, exposure to sunlight, that is morning and evening sun rays, and doing the breathing exercises, doing some relaxation techniques, some yoga, exercising. All these will help holistically and improve our health. Thank you.